Right, arriving in here is 720-136 and 720-559 on the 1625. Greater Anglia service from Liverpool Street to Clacton-on-Sea, and off goes the 1623 Elizabeth Line service from Heathrow Terminal 5 to Shenfield. And over there is the 1625 C2C service from Shoeburyness to London Liverpool Street. (357-201's on the front and catch you the rear as you depart. As off goes the 1625 Great Anglia service to Paddington, and off goes the Central Line. And it's no strange that today you find me at Stratford on the Greater Anglia Main Line and part of the North London Line, so being seen services by Greater Anglia, Elizabeth Line, London Overground, London Underground, C2C, and hopefully some freight as well. Now off goes the slightly delayed 1625 C2C service from Shoeburyness to London Liverpool Street. On the way is 357-023 on that one. Don't worry, I won't be spending much time down this end because there's not really much you can really see down this end other than Overground, Underground, Elizabeth Line and some other stuff, but I do tend to move down the other end at some point, but it'll be in a little while. So with that being said, let us see what Stratford has to offer. Heading off now is the 1629 London Overground service to Richmond. With 378 207. Leyton away now will be a London Overground service from Richmond. Which is 378134 by the looks of it. As also coming through will be a Greater Anglia 720 going from London Liverpool Street to Ilford EMUD. (720-566) and 720-567 going from London Liverpool Street to Ilford EMUD. Arriving in now is the 1634 Elizabeth Line service from London Paddington to Shenfield, 345017. See that when she heads off. Now the fine is the 1634 Elizabeth Line service from London Paddington to Shenfield. 345017. As incoming now will be the 1636. Greater Anglia service from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street. And 378-218 sets up for our departure out for Clapham Junction. So on the front set of this one is 720 521. We'll catch you at the rear when she departs. Arriving now is the 1638 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich, 745109. As heading off is the 1636 London Overground service to Clapham Junction. As off goes the 1636 Greater Anglia service from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street, 720-521, and its classmate. Seven 538 brings up the rear. Heading off now is the 1638 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street, 745109.
1641 Elizabeth Line service to Shenfield.
The next train to arrive at 10 will be the 1640 Greater Anglia service to Southend, Victoria, calling at Shenfield, Kilricky, Wickford, Rayleigh, Hackney, Rochford, Southend Airport, Tretton.
Terminating away now will be terminating London Overground service from Clapham Junction. In the form of 378206. Coming now is the 1639 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street from Clacton on Sea, 72108. I'll catch her classmate as incoming now is the 1640 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria, 72560. 720-555 brings up the rear as off goes the 1639 Greater Anglia service from Clacton on Sea to London Liverpool Street, 72108, and that's classmate. Yep, here she goes. 720 532 brings up the rear. As heading back off is the 1640 Greater Anglia service to South Victoria, 720 555 and a classmate.
The next train to arrive at platform 10 will be the 1643 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, calling at Romford, Shenfield, Chelmsford, Whittle.
Now the final is the 1643 Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, 720 542 and a classmate. With 720 524 bringing up the rear. As beside me is 755 006 on the 1643 Greater Anglia service. She goes anyway. There's that one bound for London Liverpool Street from Norwich. Should see that one return when she comes back bound for Norwich. Now the final is the 1649 Elizabeth Line service from Heathrow Terminal 5 to Shenfield as a central line service. Depart south for West Anglia.
The next train to arrive at platform 9 will be the 1653
And this one
Greater
is
Anglia service to
345021 and it's very ram.
This train is
Our one in now is the 1653 Greater Anglia service from Braintree to London Liverpool Street. So on the front set is 720 561. $720 568 brings up the rear.
This train is full of 10 coaches to ensure passengers feel pressing to board the front 6 coaches. This train is currently between London Liverpool Street and Stratford.
We'll catch this one actually parked. Incoming now is the 1654 Elizabeth Line service from Shenfield to London Paddington. 455014 by the looks of it. And another ramp service. Making a preparation to depart now is the 1653 Greater Anglia service from Braintree to Liverpool Street, 720 561 and 568. Should be any second now.
Platform 10 for the 1654 Greater Anglia service to Braintree.
Yep, here she goes.
Calling at Shenfield,
As incoming
Ingatstone,
now is the
Chelmsford,
1654
Whittle, White Knockley,
Greater Anglia
Cressy,
service from
Braintree, Freeport,
London Liverpool Street
and
to
Braintree. This train is
Braintree.
formed of 10 coaches
As off goes the 1653 C2C service to Shoeburyness from Liverpool Street. 357023. And Kentbird 357201 brings up the rear. And on the front of this set heading off to Braintree is 720-549. We'll catch you the rear as she departs. Now departing is the 1654 Greater Anglia service to Braintree. 720-549 and its cars, mate. And again. 720-127 brings up the rear. As down in distance will be the 1656 C2C service from Shoeburyness to London Liverpool Street.
Please note any cost claim for the South Victoria service. This is now 10A for the South Victoria service.
Three 357 015 is at the front. And 357, I can't tell you. Better be on the captions of the video what number it is. As here is the 1656 service to Shenfield from London Paddington. Catch those two as they depart. Now departing is the 1656 C2C service from Shoeburyness to London Liverpool Street. 357 015 and 033. As also departing is the 1656 Elizabeth Line service to Shenfield from London Paddington. Triple 5042. Incoming now will be the 1701 Elizabeth Line service from Shenfield to London Paddington. Which is 345 062. As incoming now is the 1702 Greater Anglia service from Southern Victoria to London Liverpool Street.
Hackney 9 of 1702 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Toilet London Liverpool Street only. This train is
720-501 leading. And 720-528 is on the rear. See this one as she departs. Okay, we've got two services, one being the 1702. Greater Anglia service from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street, 720, 501 and 528. And also incoming now is the 1703. Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria, 720, 124 leading. Yes, I said platform 10A. Now this don't happen often for Greater Anglia. And on the way is 720, 569. We'll catch you this reaching the park. Now the line is the 1703. Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria, 720, 124 and 569. As incoming now is the 1705. Greater Anglia service from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street, 720, 114. With 720, 122 trailing. Now don't get me wrong, but Greater Anglia don't usually send that many Greater Anglia services onto platform 10A. It's usually during the week, but I was wrong. And according to the departure board, it says a 1725 to Clacton will depart from that platform as well. As off goes the 1704 Elizabeth Line service to Shenfield from London Paddington, 345032. As the Central Line service comes in, bound for West Ruislip.
Stop here.
As the 1705 service from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street departs, which is 720, 522 and 114 from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street departs, we now find ourselves a Greater Anglia 745 passing from London Liverpool Street to Norwich.
So any customers awaiting a Clacton on Sea service, this will now be departing from platform 10A. 10A for the Clacton on Sea service.
She's not going at the greatest speed, as she's
The train now approaching platform 9 does not
just
stop
trailing
here.
from
Please
that
stand clear
Southern
of the
Victoria
entrance
service.
as
This
the
is
train does not stop here.
745-007. As incoming now is the 1706 Elizabeth Line service to London Paddington and Shenfield.
Shenfield, Chelmsford,
In the form of
Everett, Whittam,
345
Marks Tay, Colchester, Manning
uh,
and
033.
Ipswich.
As
This
about to
train is
come
on
through now
platform 10 coaches
will be
to
a
a short platform.
Greater Anglia
Passengers
745
Manning
working
train
a
should
so
board the front 9 coaches.
from
This
Norwich
train
to
is
London Liverpool
currently
Street.
between London Liverpool Street and Stratford.
She won't be going at the greatest speed either because she's got a single yellow in a minute. Oh, make that a double yellow. So I should keep it rolling. She should emerge from around the corner any second now. Yep, here she comes. Sample 5005. Making our preparation to depart now is the 1709 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Ipswich, 720 544, and its classmate. Catch her the rear as she bypasses. 720-113 brings up the rear. Now departing is C1712, Elizabeth Line service from Heathrow Terminal 5 to Shenfield. Triple 5023. Arriving now is C1716, Elizabeth Line service from Shenfield to Heathrow Terminal 5. In the form of 355-044. As the central line service comes in for West Anglia. Arriving now is 1720, Greater Anglia service from Southend Victoria to London Street, 720-107 and 531. See this one, Winchester Parks. As 720-501 and Castmate heads off to London Street from Southend Victoria, we now find ourselves 345-012 departing off on the 1719 to Shenfield from Paddington. Arriving now is 1721, Elizabeth Line service from Shenfield to Paddington, which is worked by 345-049, as down in distance 1722, C2C service from Liverpool Street to Shoeburyness is 357-033 and 017 returning, as here we have 720-532 off the South Victoria on the 1722. Thanks for those. Incoming now is the 1732 Elizabeth Line service from Shenfield to London Paddington, 355-038. Sorry for the long delay, I had to answer an important phone call. It's family related, that's all I'm saying, to be honest. There would have been more clips previously, but I had to answer this particular phone call because it was important and I couldn't do anything else about it. There's that one arriving for London Paddington as the central line service comes in for Marble Arch. Okay, it's getting weirder and weirder each day. That's the second time I've seen that happen now. Anyways, there's those two anyway. Oh yeah, it gets weirder each time.
Please note, any customers awaiting the South and Victoria service, this will now be departing from platform 10A. 10A for South and Victoria.
From Paddington to Shenfield. As behind me, shortly will be
Platform 9 for the 1737 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. Calling at
Colchester
London
Town to
Liverpool Street only.
London
This train
Waterloo.
is full of 10 coaches.
cold here, but in the meantime we'll focus on the 345058, as here we have 72537. And 72586 brings up the rear. As this arrives in for London Liverpool Street from Colchester Town. So there, thank you very much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you liked what you've seen here at Stratford, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments and recommendations or sessions you want me to do in the comments below, as I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. I really enjoyed my time here at Stratford, especially with the amount of variety I managed to catch whilst I was here. I was expecting to see freight, but some of them were cancelled, so I couldn't do anything about it. Here we have the 1738 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich, led by 745 006. Obviously I'm not going to say its departure out, same with the 1737 one. So until then, from me here at Stratford, I'll see you all later. Take care guys, and